Hello, this is Pete with a quick tutorial on Divi Machine map module. So a lot of people are asking how do you adjust the zoom number on the map. So the answer is in the Divi theme builder. You can see I have it zoomed in this far. So when I reload this page, for example, it will do the map over there. So if I then in the settings go down to the map and zoom out to 3, 4, 5, 6 for example, save that, update the page so you can see it's zoomed out quite far now. If I reload it, you see it's zoomed out. Now just to confirm, I'm not going to zoom in. So I want it nice and close. You load the front end. And there it is. Okay. I hope this has been helpful, and any questions please get in touch with support. Thank you.